Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can split a single pipe into two pipes or three pipes. The purpose of splitting is that when your one line is running from the cellar deck to top deck or mezzanine deck and you want to split the pipe up to the deck level, and we want to see the quantum of pipes running in particular one deck on cellar deck, and it is used for the weight calculation purpose and other data while we are issuing the isometric. So how we can split the pipe here? Let's say I have this pipe running from the cellar deck to mezzanine deck. You have to click on pipe here, then here you have to click on piping, and here you can see that pipe splitting here. You have to select this pipe splitting and this form will be open. Make sure that you always in the forward direction. Then splitting is very easy, otherwise it will not split properly. And here you have to click on split pipe by moving component. I will select this one here, and here you can split branch and pipe. I will show you both here. First we will go for a new pipe, and you have to select here split. Then you have to choose a component from where you want to split. I will select this elbow, and you can see that now we have two pipes. See, this is the one pipe now, and it is the second pipe. So here we have to do little bit modification. Here you can see that there is two branches showing in this pipe, but this branch belongs to this one. So what we have to do, we have to click here, and we will use here verb1 name, and you have to click on this pipe and type here include dollar v1 b1. So now this pipe automatically move from this branch to this branch. So this is the correct one, and here you click on rename, and change the name. So in this way we can split one pipe to two pipe or any number of pipes. And here I will show you how we can split the branches. Same way here, you have to select on branch here, and here you have to again select split pipe by moving component and click on new branch and click on split. Let's say you want to break it from that point. So you can see that now we have two branches. Simply you can type here Q name and click this branch and make to branch 2. So branch 2 is already there, so we have to make it branch 3. Because here again you have to do Q name and make this same as in one. Give it name B2, and now we can give this branch B2. So in this way we can split one pipe to two pipe and one branch to two branch with the help of the split by splitting, pipe splitting. I hope you understood why we are using splitting in Aveva E3D. If you have any comment, please comment in the comment box.